Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to discuss the crucial aspects of compliance and legal requirements in IT governance, particularly in accordance with ISO 38500. ISO 38500 provides principles, definitions, and a framework to enable the effective, efficient, and acceptable use of information technology within an organization. It's essential to understand the compliance and legal aspects outlined in this standard to ensure the proper governance of IT resources and operations. Compliance with ISO 38500 involves adhering to its principles, which include accountability, responsibility, transparency, and compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Organizations must ensure that their IT governance practices align with these principles to effectively manage risks and optimize the value derived from IT investments. From a legal perspective, ISO 38500 emphasizes the importance of understanding and complying with relevant laws, regulations, and contractual obligations related to IT governance. This includes data protection and privacy laws, intellectual property rights, cybersecurity regulations, and industry-specific compliance requirements. Incorporating legal requirements into IT governance practices involves risk assessment and compliance monitoring. Regularly assess risk related to legal requirements and monitor compliance with applicable laws and regulations. This may involve conducting audits, assessments, and reviews to identify gaps and ensure alignment with legal obligations. Documentation and documentation management. Maintain accurate records documenting compliance efforts, including policies, procedures, guidelines, and evidence of compliance activities. Effective documentation management is crucial for demonstrating compliance to internal and external stakeholders. Training and awareness. Provide training and awareness programs to ensure that personnel understand their legal obligations and the importance of compliance in IT governance. This helps foster a culture of compliance throughout the organization. Engagement with legal and regulatory authorities. Establish communication channels with the legal and regulatory authorities to stay informed about changes in laws and regulations that may impact IT governance. Proactively engage with these authorities to seek guidance and clarification on compliance matters. Continuous improvement. Continuously evaluate and improve IT governance practices to enhance compliance with legal requirements and adapt to evolving regulatory landscapes. This may involve implementing feedback mechanisms, conducting lessons learned sessions, and staying abreast of industry best practices. By integrating compliance and legal requirements into IT governance practices in alignment with ISO 38500, organizations can effectively mitigate risks, ensure legal compliance, and maximize the value of their IT investments. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.